Let's be honest. Your workflow is a mess, not because you're disorganized, but because your tools force you into a daily digital scavenger hunt. That perfect campaign link, buried in Slack, the client's hex code, lost in a random file or a forgotten Notion page. You waste minutes, sometimes hours, switching tabs, searching bookmarks, and digging through folders. This chaos kills your focus and drains your creativity. We've accepted this as normal, but it's not efficient. The real problem? There's no central, instantly accessible place for your most important stuff. Bookmarks get cluttered, note apps are separate, and cloud storage is slow for everyday content. We're using a dozen tools for one simple need: quick access to our essentials. Imagine if every link, note, and asset you needed was just one click away, right in your browser. No more tab hopping or endless searches, just instant access. That's the promise of a tool designed to end the digital scavenger hunt. It's about reclaiming lost hours and making your workflow seamless. Enter QuickSnap Pro, a Chrome extension that transforms your browser into a personal command center. It's not another app to juggle, it lives in your sidebar, always ready, never in the way. QuickSnap Pro gathers all your scattered links, notes, images, and templates into one organized, searchable space. Found something useful online? Right-click and save it instantly. No workflow disruption. You're not just collecting, you're building a personal knowledge base as you work. Save URLs, text, images, even reusable templates, all in one place. When you need a client's brand colors or a standard email template, just search the sidebar and paste. No more hunting through folders or emails. Your browser becomes a true workstation, not just a window to the web. It's about moving from reactive searching to proactive creating. That's what a modern workflow should feel like. Let's break down what makes QuickSnap Pro so effective. Save anything in your browser with a right-click, links, text, images, organized instantly with tags and categories. No more messy lists. Smart tags and custom categories keep everything tidy and searchable. Find anything with instant search. Just type a keyword or tag. Power user features. The multi-clipboard lets you copy multiple items and paste them wherever you need without switching tabs. It's a massive time saver for anyone who juggles content, code, or forms. And the built-in AI tools summarize articles, rephrase notes, or translate text right inside your library. Turn saved content into dynamic resources, get a summary, clean up rough notes, or generate a professional email in seconds. These features aren't just nice-to-haves, they're game changers for productivity. QuickSnap Pro isn't just storage, it's your digital brain, always ready. Everything is one click away, organized and actionable. No more friction, just flow. That's the power of a tool that actually makes sense. The results speak for themselves. Freelancers and marketers save over an hour a day with QuickSnap Pro. No more digging for assets or searching inboxes. Everything's in the sidebar, ready to use. Even cutting your search time by a fraction means hours saved every week. Over 120 hours a year. That's 3 extra work weeks to onboard clients, learn new skills, or just finish on time. The cost: one-time purchase, lifetime access, all updates included. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. QuickSnap Pro isn't just another extension, it's a fundamental upgrade to your workflow. For anyone tired of fighting their tools, it's a game changer. Every link, note, and template you need. One click away, always. Stop the scavenger hunt. Stop wasting time. Try QuickSnap Pro and experience a workflow that works for you. Your time is too valuable to lose. Take it back.